Hello mga Mars! Welcome back to my channel, Karin Scoop Station here. Pagkatapos ng mainit na usapin about doon sa binitawang salita ni Congressman Bong Suntay tungkol kay Ann Curtis na siya ay nagiinit ngayong araw na to, Sabado, March 7, 2026, si Ann Curtis ay naglabas ng kanyang saloobin or statement sa pamamagitan ng kanyang Instagram account. Meron itong 8 na post, mga Mars. At nirepost ito ng kanyang asawa na si Erwan Yusuf sa kanyang Instagram story. Basahin natin. Ang caption ni Ann Curtis, quote and unquote, "Women's Month isn't just a celebration. It's a reminder of how far we still have to go." Ito yung sinulat ay pinost ni Ann, quote and unquote. "Hi, it took me a while to speak up. I was focused on what mattered most, being reunited with my family who were stranded in the Middle East and getting home safely. I am home now and now I'm ready to say what needs to be said. Not for revenge or drama, but because remaining silent would be wrong for me and for every woman watching. By now, many of you have heard the remarks made by Mr. Bong Suntay. A vulgar sexualized analogy. My name disgustingly used without my consent, in the wrong context, and more importantly, without an ounce of respect. My initial reaction was one of shock. I was hurt, disturbed by how perverted it was, and angry. But now my thoughts are clear. What happened to me isn't rare. It happens to women every day, in offices, in group chats, in rooms where men think no one is listening, or worse, in rooms where they know everyone is and simply don't care. What made this incident different is that it came from someone holding public office. Mr. Suntay, I won't spend much time on you, not because what you did was small, but because this was never really about you. Since you used me as an example, let me use you as one too. You've become the poster boy of something much bigger, a culture that still thinks it's acceptable to talk about women this way. Worse, one that tolerates it from our leaders. As they say, misogyny dressed up as a joke is still misogyny. You hold the seat paid for by taxpayers. Women are taxpayers. I am a taxpayer. We are not props in your commentary. Misogyny means is hates, dislikes, or has ingrained prejudice against women and girls, believing them to be inferior or less capable, often exhibiting controlling, belittling, or discriminatory behaviors. Yun pala yung ibig sabihin nun. Next, I do not accept your non-apology, but I also will not carry this as a personal wound. I do, however, accept your wife's apology because as a wife and a mother myself, I know exactly what she must be feeling. That particular kind of embarrassment, that helplessness, that quiet grief of watching someone choose so poorly in public. To her and to your children, this is not your shame. Please know that, and I hope everyone reading this extends them the same grace. They did nothing wrong and they deserve to be left out of it entirely. Now that I will carry is the responsibility to say clearly on behalf of every woman who has ever been spoken about this way. We deserve better, not just now while this topic is hot issue, but every single day, not just from Mr. Suntay, from all of it, from the casual sexism disguised as clever remarks from public officials who forget who they served, from a culture that still asks women to laugh it off, to not be so sensitive, and so to pick their battles. Every time a remark like this goes unchallenged, we lower the bar for what leadership tools like. Every time a woman is reduced to a cheap remark by someone holding a position of public trust and nothing happens, we tell the next generation of women exactly where they stand. This is what I refuse to accept. Any leader who cannot respect women does not understand leadership at all. Respecting women, after all, is simply basic decency. To the Ethics Committee, I hope you do not let this pass. The integrity of public office depends on the standards it upholds. I will be seeking legal advice and will consider all my options looking forward. I cannot believe how many misogynists have revealed themselves the past couple of days. To everyone who used their voices to stand up for us and fight for our respect, both men and women, thank you. And if anyone is wondering why Women's Month still matters, this is exactly why. Quote and unquote. Kasi sa news nga, yung wife pala ni Bong Sontay ay minessage si Ann Curtis, siya ay nag-sorry sa ginawa ng kanyang asawa. At ayun na nga, ang family ni Bong Sontay ay binabatikos ngayon sa social media. Kaya sabi ni Ann, labas naman daw dito ang kanyang wife at ang kanyang mga anak kasi siya ay nanay din at asawa. Pero dito nga sa sinabi ni Ann, siya ay, I will be seeking legal advice and will consider all my options looking forward. Kasi nga naman, no, kung sino yung mga politiko, syempre sila yung nakakataas sa atin, sila ang namumuno. And tama, taxpayers tayo. Ang mga kinikita nila nanggagaling sa atin, tapos ganun na lang nila babastusin. Wag na, in general na lang siguro, no? Hindi na lang dun kay Ann, lahat na lang binabastos nila. At ngayon nga, may sumunod ba? Itong si Jinggoy Estrada. Ano bang nangyayari sa mga leader natin? Bakit ganun? Kaya dapat talaga maging wise na tayo sa pagboto ng mga ating iboboto sa susunod na eleksyon. Grabe na po talaga, parang wala na po sila talagang respeto, no? Grabe. And that's it, mga Mars. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more scoops. Bye!